Class, let's jump into week 3. The two topics this week are brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, and affiliate and drop shipping. We're really getting into those online business models that will help you decide on a product and understand the different options and opportunities that are out there. So we'll start with brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers. It's important to understand the different functions in these. Typically, a manufacturer is someone who is going to create a product. A wholesaler is someone who works with the manufacturers to buy in bulk, and then the wholesalers would sell to retailers like Walmart, Target, and they would. So the wholesaler is going to take a lot of the inventory management off the retailer's hands, and the wholesaler is going to be an intermediary. A broker is going to facilitate transactions between the manufacturer and wholesalers and retailers. Online, the internet cuts out the retailers a lot of times and takes you straight to either the wholesalers or the manufacturers. Brokers still exist as they create, again, a link between manufacturers and customers, or wholesalers and manufacturers. I'll explain that in a little bit more detail here, as well as in the affiliate and drop shipping models. We're going to go through a couple important points here, not only to understand these different models, but we're going to jump into an important skill set, which is how to quantify and compare. We're going to use this skill set quite a bit throughout the remainder of the course. And so there's a video dedicated to this to walk you through how to do this quantify and compare assignment. I'm also going to click on this link for you and walk you through it just so you get a good idea. But essentially what you'll do is jump into the shady suppliers case. So that's, again, following the same case study we've been following, same group of students. They're talking about how to choose a supplier. And to help you in this decision, you're going to get deeper into the decision-making process with a quantify and compare spreadsheet. And that will be a big part of this assignment. So if you click on this link up here, how to quantify and compare, it'll bring up this page. And the idea, maybe I'll just jump right down to the matrix here. I'm a very visual learner, so that helps me understand. And in this example, this won't be in your assignment, but in this example, it's someone deciding on a restaurant and saying, all right, I've got these different restaurant ideas right down here: barbecue, a salad restaurant, and a burger restaurant. There's a lot of different things that go into this. I want to make food that tastes good, right? So taste is going to be a part of that. People also want prompt food, so how quickly can I get the food out to them? And they also want something that's not too expensive. And so the less it costs, the higher I'll rate it. And so I'm going to go through and give a ranking to each of these. The barbecue one tastes the best by far. But it takes a really long time, so it's going to be the slowest. It gets a 4 on promptness, and it's also expensive, so it gets a 5 on price. And then they go through and they rank each one of them. The power in this is the weights up here, because not all of these things are equal. People care about the price of the food way more than they care about the prompt, or I'm assuming that, right? In my decision matrix, I'm going to say people are really driven by the cost of the food here. And so 50% of my decision is going to be based on that, 25% on promptness, and 25% on taste. And the weights really add a deeper value to this. And so not only have you ranked these, but you said this is really the most important. Well, if you set up your spreadsheet correctly, that video is designed to help you set this up correctly, you'll get these weighted totals, where you're taking these scores multiplied by these weights, and that gives you a weighted total for each. So you can see the American burger comes out as number 1 at 7 points versus 5.75, 5.25. Then they will also show you how to put in an equation that puts a ranking here for all 3 of these. All of this is done in Excel, and once you have it set up the first time, you'll be able to play with these weights, change the the ideas over here or the criterion you use, and it will automatically calculate these totals. And so again, the video walks you through in Excel how these are set up. What are the equations you use here to take this information and make these weighted totals come out correctly, and then how to rank them. But that is what the how to quantify and compare does for you. And so the video will give you some more detail on that. Your assignment is to do a quantify and compare spreadsheet for based on the shady suppliers case. They'll give you different alternatives. You'll pick 2 of them, and you pick three criterion in that to decide on a supplier. And then you'll create a Word document and make a recommendation based on that. Please make sure this essay is at least 1 page in length. Not all of them are necessarily designed to be 1 page in length, but this one is. There's also a generic decision matrix that can get you started on that. So a few tools to help you succeed there. But this is a key skill that quantify and compares. You'll notice it's in numerous different assignments over the next couple weeks. So please reach out if you're struggling with that. You'll have your discussion board based on the same topic, and then you'll jump into your affiliate and drop shipping. For this assignment, you'll follow the same pattern. So you've got your case study here. You'll create a quantify and compare spreadsheet, and you'll have an essay. So that same pattern is set up. But we're looking at affiliate and drop shipping models. These are very common and inexpensive models for online business. In an affiliate model, what you'll do is you'll reach out to a company and with a product that you like and say, hey, I'd like to be an affiliate for you. You can even do this with products on Amazon. That's a very common way to do that. And then you design your website, and then you will create what's called an affiliate link. The company will send you a link, and you'll post a little picture of the product, and when they click on that picture, it follows that link and it goes to the manufacturer's website, or it goes to Amazon's website. And if the customer purchases that product, they will track that link came from your website, and you get a percentage of the revenue from that product, and whatever that is based on your affiliate agreement. So you get 10%. And so if it's a $10 hat that was sold, you get $1 from that. The advantage to this is that you can create extensive affiliate websites with a lot of different products. You drive traffic to your website, and then someone else sends the product, someone else deals with the customer service aspect of that, and all you're doing is driving traffic and earning money off of that. And so it's really hands-off. It requires $0 investment in inventory. Really the investment is the time you spend, the cost of the website, and then if you want to do Google Ads campaign like we will later on in this course, that would be a cost to your company. But it's a low-cost way to earn some money. And there's some pretty extensive affiliate websites out there that are really successful. Drop shipping is fairly similar to that. You'll do an independent website. You'll form a drop shipping agreement with a company. But the big difference is that the entire purchase process is done on your website, and then on the back end, a link will be sent to the company to ship the product to the customer. The difference, the 2 key differences, is that in drop shipping, number one, you get to set the price, so you get a little bit more control over that and a little bit higher profit potential. But the customer is also dealing with you exclusively in the purchasing process, so they're going to reach out to you for any customer service issues they have if they don't get their product or if they're frustrated about something. So you have to take on that component of the process. So higher profit potential, but higher involvement there as well. That's the difference between affiliate and drop shipping. And so there's more information here. I'd encourage you to read those. You can find some more details. consider this as a potential business idea for your business. But for this assignment, you'll do a quantify and compare sheet with the alternatives of a drop shipping option, a drop shipping company, and an affiliate, and then 3 criterion that you'd base your decision on whether you want to do one or the other. And then you'd write your essay. This one is also 1 page. Note that it's a 1-page essay on this as well. A lot more information here if you'd like. Again, these are common business models. Want to make sure you get all the information you need on those. And that'll be it for this week. You'll have your reflection due at the end of the week. But if you're stumbling on anything, reach out. Happy to go through any of those in more detail if you'd like. If you got continued or follow questions about different roles of online businesses up here in the brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, or want to talk in more detail about affiliate and drop shipping, I'd be happy to. Thanks, everybody.